What's up guys, and in today's video, that is just so annoying. Why am I keep going like that? But I'm not swearing, I'm just... Take two. Now, what do you think it is? 3, 2, 1. Insane, huh? Yeah. Insane. Guys, what do you think it is? That just looks wrong, that one at the bottom. As I was saying, a little introduction. So, yeah, this is a lawnmower. This works, so it fastens the speed. Pull starter. Actual engine. Would you ever shut up? Ignore that. Yeah, so this is the pull starter. It looks so weird, I know. So it runs on fuel. So yeah, this is well, that's the cap of the fuel tank. Now, let's get into the video. So, yeah, this is the speed working thing, so yeah. As I was saying, fuel cap. It is from an RC engine, the fuel tank. Yeah, that one there. Little squeezy, squishy. That is the starter, so if we just take the top off. So yeah, that is a full engine down there with the cables and all that running straight down. For the speed. And yes guys, as you know, I love messing around with electric. This is insane. So yeah, as I was saying, let's get some fuel in 1 sec. Okay guys, here's the fuel. It is yellow. Oh crap. 1 sec. Yeah, I have to put it, well, it went kind of, whoa. Did you just see that guys? It almost fell off. I would have been in big trouble. But by the way guys, let's just get it in. I am not skipping to the wee bit. I just want to let you guys see how to do this. In 3, and 2, and 1. Okay guys, turns out I had the wrong fuel. So what I had to do is get a proper one. It was kind of hard to find. Yeah, it was kind of hard to find, even though I found it. So it's like I'll have to put it in my mouth. But 1 sec. It's holes. It's got a holes. I just saw a hole. So okay, guys, got it. Right, I wouldn't attempt you doing it. But I'll have it in the tank in 3, 2, 1. But actually, I'm going to show you this once. Oops, dribble. Okay, guys, we're done. Little dribbles, but still. Yeah. Just show you. So yeah, that is full. It's always good to have a full tank. Let's just get it fired up. Okay guys, now let's just pull it a few times to get the fuel through. Lid first. Okay, guys, just if you think that it's actually not spinning, it actually is spinning. So yeah, that's if you didn't believe it was. Oops, looks like now it's time to turn it around. Guys, can you hear that? That's the switch button. Yeah, now it's turned on. What was that? Ah, we're good. So yeah guys, this string came out. If you're ever having trouble and you can't get into the engine, simply just pull. If it's still not working, spin the bottom of the mower, which then it helps in the pistons and all that, spin it on. Just a little bit so you've got at least that much. And then another interruption. Right, so yeah, at least that much. And then you just pull, and then it just slowly goes on. And then you just start pulling. See when it fires up. Oh yeah guys, I also forgot to mention this. When you're starting, it has to be up. Okay guys, I think something is wrong with the engine because it's actually not starting. So guys, if you think I've missed anything, comment down below. And also if you're not starting, just go down. So, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. If you would like me to show you how to make it, I'll show you how to make all of these once we hit a sensible amount. On this video, if we hit 26,000 likes, I will do the tutorial on how to make it. So, yeah guys, like and subscribe if you enjoyed. Till next time, peace out.